Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is our next problem having been chosen from the same book, Modern Physics by Paul A. Tipler. As usual, we first come to its statement. Okay, the distance between the lithium and chlorine ions in lithium chloride is 0.257 nanometer, nano standing for 10 to power minus 9. Use this and the molecular mass of lithium chloride, which is 42.2 gram per mole, to compute the density of lithium chloride. Okay, how many things are given? Distance is given and molecular mass is given, while we have to calculate the density. Okay, dear students, this problem is very similar to our previous problem. The same formula is applicable, therefore we will not give more time to this problem. Okay, taking benefit of previous problem, we are going to shorten or reduce this problem's duration. Okay, only one snapshot is included. Only one snapshot is included in this problem, which is about Avogadro's number. Okay, because we have discussed this snapshot in previous video, so we skip this for the time being. Okay, now we are going to start our problem in a regular manner. First, a foundation is developed regarding the formula to be utilized in this problem for calculating the density of lithium chloride. Okay, as a foundation of this formula or expression, we say that we consider each ion to occupy a cubic volume of the side R naught. The ions occupy a volume of 2 NaR naught cube, where capital A is written as a subscript of capital N, meaning Avogadro's number. Okay, where capital N, capital A, where capital A is written as a subscript of capital N, is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 is Avogadro's number. The density rho is thus related to equilibrium spacing R naught by rho equal to capital M over capital V. This alternatively becomes equal to capital M over 2 into capital N capital A, where capital A is written as a subscript of capital N, meaning Avogadro's number, into R naught cube. We have given equation number 1 to this expression. Okay, this expression, this formula is the only tool which will solve our problem. Dear students, in this formula, value of Avogadro's number will be taken from the snapshot or from any other table of physical constants. Okay, moreover, value of M and R naught are provided in this statement. Okay, so when we will put these three values in equation number 1, we will get the density of lithium chloride. Okay, so we say that using molar mass capital M equal to 42.4 gram per mole, which is provided in the statement, Avogadro's number Na equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 per mole. This is taken from snapshot or can be taken from any other table of physical constants. Okay, moreover, R naught is also provided in the statement, which is equal to 0.257 into 10 to power minus 7 centimeter. Okay. Using these three values in equation number 1, we get what we get? Now rho equal to m over v equal to capital M over 2 n a r naught square. Just put, we are going to put these three values in the equation. Okay, here dear students, the word now is acceptable but not necessary, rather it does not seem appropriate. In equation number 1 we get the word now is not used appropriate here. Simply rho equal to m over v equal to m over 2 n a r naught cube. Okay, now we have put all these three values in this expression or equation. In the numerator 42.4 gram per mole, and in the denominator 2 into 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 per mole into 0.257 into 10 raised to the power minus 7 centimeter whole cube, because this is r naught and r naught is in cube. Okay, this is equal to 207.39 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 gram per centimeter cube. Okay dear students, from where this value has become, we have multiplied 2 with 6.02. okay, this will become about 12, and then we have multiplied this value 3 times, 0.257 into 0.257 into 0.257. okay, 3 times this number has been multiplied, and then it has been multiplied with 6.022, and then it is multiplied by 2, and the resultant value is divided by 42.4, then we get 207.39. okay, moreover dear students, actually this is 10 raised to the power 23, while this is 10 raised to the power minus 7, but it is taken 3 times, so it will become 10 raised to the power minus 21. okay, so 10 raised to the power plus 23 and 10 raised to the power minus 21, it means dear students, 10 raised to the power 2 will remain in the denominator, and when shifted to a numerator it will become minus 2. okay, so that is why our expression has been reduced to this. okay, 207.39 into 10 raised to the power minus 2, because 10 raised to the power plus 2 is in the denominator. okay, 23 minus 21 equal to 2, but when 10 raised to the power 2 shifted to a numerator will become minus 2. okay, gram per centimeter cube. Here dear students, 10 raised to the power minus 2 means 1 over 100. When it will be divided by 100, then it will become 2.0739 gram per centimeter cube. okay, this is our resultant value. okay, resultant value of density rho. okay, so finally density rho of lithium chloride has become equal to 2.0739 gram per centimeter cube or cubic centimeter. And this is the end of our problem. This is the end of our video. Till next video, Allah Hafiz.